welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another Melaluka order. Now, this is a great time to let y'all know I actually forgot to place the order. And when you first join, you can go in and set up auto ship when you forget. I forgot the verbiage that they use, like backup order, something like that. So this what reminded me. So when it came in, first we ran out of the coffee, hence my coffee on the side here. I had to hurry up and make me a cup. This is the hazelnut. I love it. So this one is already open. So I got the hazelnut this time, and I didn't think this was in there, but it said I got Colombian. I'm thinking they might have made a mistake. I haven't gone and checked yet to see, but I remember when I first signed up, yes, I did, because I was trying to test the coffees. That might be true that this one was in there because I created my backup order. Since I got this order, I have went in and changed my backup order because there's some things in here that when you first start, you don't know if you want it or not. So I went in and changed it. So this month I only got these two, and I've changed it already to automatically do 4 of the hazelnuts. Of course, this was in there. This is the detergent. This is 9 times laundry detergent. Let me say, do y'all see how small the bottle is? By looking at my grid here, okay? It's a tiny bottle, but you only need a cap full. Look at that cap. I made the mistake when I first got it of using it like your other detergent where you fill up the thing and put it in. No. You're not supposed to do this. It's highly concentrated. That's why it says 9 times. It is very concentrated, and you only need a cap full. I laugh at myself when I found that out. Of course, my gold bar is in here. And remember, this was in my backup order because I forgot to order. But I do like that bar. I got my GC Control Creamy Chocolate Fusion. I have a ton of this going on my weight loss journey, and this is supposed to help support natural blood sugar and weight support, like help keep you full, kind of, On here it says scientifically formulated for metabolism and energy support, carbohydrate and sugar cravings, healthy weight management. So to keep you under control, you're not starving, and you know how you get ravenous when you be on diet. And then the last 2 things in here, well, that's kind of good. I got these again. I wasn't going to buy these again. But Vitality, like I said, it doesn't just do food or soap. It does a lot of things. These are pills for women. These are a multivitamin and mineral. It supports energy and overall health. So that's these. Vitality. I still have some of them. I need to start taking them again. And then the other bottle is, ooh, yeah. Wait a minute. This one's Vitality multivitamin and mineral with the red for women. You see women down there. And then this one says Vitality Calcium Complete. It promotes strong bones and teeth. And that's this bottle. There's all the ingredients and everything. Now remember, this company is a natural company. So there's 120 tablets in here. I think you're only supposed to take 1. So that's a large supply. 120 days. Yeah, you take 1 tablet. Well, it says take 1 to 4 based on your need. Calcium. Okay. So I got those 2, and I think that is it for this one, guys. I was so upset when I saw. I was like, I forgot. And so, but anyway, I went in and changed my auto ship That is why the auto ship is there, so that you can, if you do forget, you still get your items. And I did forget and got the items I had in stock. So now I went in and changed it. So if I forget again, I get my coffee that I want. So thank you guys for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm enjoying my coffee I haven't had in a minute. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.